Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Cantu Deep Treatment Masque is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products for those looking to deeply nourish and restore their curls, offering a potent blend of natural ingredients designed to combat dryness, breakage, and damage, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft, manageable, and revitalized with every use, making it a staple for achieving healthy, vibrant hair. Number 5. Mielle Organics Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. Experience intense hydration with our deep conditioner. It's formulated to bring life back to dry, damaged, and frizzy hair. This treatment is enriched with protein to help strengthen your strands. It works to repair and restore your hair's natural vitality. Say goodbye to dryness and damage. Our formula targets these issues, leaving your hair feeling soft and manageable. If frizz is a concern, this conditioner is for you. It helps to smooth and control unruly hair for a polished look. This is the ultimate deep treatment for revitalizing your locks. Enjoy healthier, more beautiful hair with every use. Harnessing the power of Babassu oil and mint, this conditioner nourishes your scalp and hair. It leaves a refreshing sensation and promotes overall hair health. What we like. This product is packed with protein to strengthen your strands. It provides intense moisture for dry and damaged hair. If you are looking for a deep treatment to repair and fortify your hair, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great deep conditioner that leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized. It helps to detangle my hair and makes it easier to manage. I love how it strengthens my hair and reduces breakage. Number 4. Artnaturals Argan Hair Mask Conditioner. Experience the deep conditioning power of our Argan Hair Mask. It's designed to nourish and restore your hair's natural vitality. This intensive treatment works to repair dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. Achieve healthier-looking locks with every use. Enriched with organic jojoba oil, aloe vera, and keratin, it provides essential nutrients. These natural ingredients promote healthy hair growth. Our formula is sulfate-free, making it gentle for all hair types. It cleanses effectively without stripping natural oils. Whether your hair is natural, damaged, or color-treated, this mask is perfect for you. Enjoy softer, smoother, and more manageable hair. Get salon-quality results right at home. This mask transforms your hair, leaving it looking and feeling its best. What we like. Infused with nourishing argan oil and natural ingredients, this mask is gentle yet effective. Its sulfate-free formula is kind to your hair and scalp. If you have dry, damaged, or color-treated hair and prefer natural, gentle care, this is the one for you. What people say. My hair felt softer and less dried out after the very first time that I used it. My hair was quite tangled after shampooing, and simply combing this product through my hair with my fingers alone got out the majority of the tangles. The mask left my hair easy to comb through and noticeably healthier looking, even after blow-drying and flat-ironing my bangs. Number 3. Moroccan Argan Oil Mask. Discover the transformative power of our Moroccan Argan Oil Mask. It's designed to deeply condition and moisturize even the driest, most damaged hair. Say goodbye to split ends with this hydrating repair treatment. It works to restore health and vitality to your locks. Infused with collagen and keratin, this mask strengthens your hair from within. It helps rebuild and protect against further damage. Whether your hair is curly, frizzy, or color-treated, this mask is your solution. It provides essential nourishment for all textures. Experience the rich, nourishing benefits of argan oil. Achieve softer, smoother, and more manageable hair with regular use. This deep conditioning treatment penetrates each strand to provide intense moisture. It leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and revitalized. What we like. This mask is enriched with collagen and keratin to deeply repair and revitalize your hair. It specifically targets split ends and helps to tame frizz. If your hair is extremely damaged, dry, or prone to frizz and split ends, this treatment will bring it back to life. What people say. The first use and I could feel the difference of the shampoo compared to others. It lathered nicely and left my hair feeling clean, but I could tell it was leaving nourishment behind, not making my hair feeling rough. My hair felt so soft and smooth instantly, better than other conditioners I have used and left on for lengths of time to really try to condition my hair. I left it on for the 10 minutes without applying any heat and then cold water rinsed it. I don't blow dry my hair, so I let it dry naturally and could tell my hair was less flighty and softer. Number 2. Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Discover the ultimate solution for your curls. This ultra-moisturizing detangler is designed to bring life back to your natural hair. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. It effortlessly detangles, making your hair soft and manageable. Tame frizz and lock in essential moisture. Enjoy smooth, hydrated hair all day long. Protect your vibrant color with our gentle, sulfate-free formula. It's safe for all hair types, including color-treated hair. Specifically crafted for curly and natural hair textures. It enhances your natural beauty and health. Experience the nourishing power of white peony. Your hair will feel refreshed, revitalized, and beautifully soft. What we like. This is a lightweight leave-in spray designed to detangle and control frizz. It creates a moisture seal to keep your curls hydrated. If you have curly or natural hair that needs easy detangling and lasting moisture without heaviness, this spray is perfect. What people say. It worked so well on my hair. I had an appointment and the nurses kept asking me what I used in my hair. I use this on my wigs and it makes it feel soft, curly, and manageable. I have fine, frizzy, pale hair. Think Irish curls. Most products are either too heavy or ineffective on my mop. This product is instantly amazing. Just used it for the first time and I am floored by the results. Number 1. Hair Chemist Coconut Oil Deep Repair Mask. Discover the transformative power of our Coconut Oil Deep Repair Mask. It's specially formulated to deeply nourish and restore your hair. This intensive treatment works to repair damage from root to tip. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to revitalized strands. Enriched with the natural goodness of coconut oil, it penetrates deeply to provide essential moisture. Your hair will feel softer and look healthier. Experience a noticeable difference in texture and shine. It helps to detangle and improve manageability for a silky smooth finish. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or color-treated, this mask is designed to benefit everyone. Give your hair the ultimate pampering it deserves. Get this generous 8-ounce jar to ensure you have enough for consistent, effective treatments. Enjoy salon-quality results at home. What we like. Harnessing the power of coconut oil, this mask offers deep repair and intense hydration. It penetrates the hair shaft to restore moisture and vitality. If your hair is feeling dry, brittle, or in need of a serious moisture boost, this coconut oil treatment is an excellent option. What people say. This mask is a game changer for dry, damaged hair, leaving it soft, manageable, and incredibly moisturized. It deeply penetrates the hair shaft, repairing and strengthening strands from within, resulting in less breakage and improved elasticity. The rich, creamy formula is easy to apply and rinses out clean, leaving no residue, just beautifully conditioned hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.